Introducing Matterport's 3D technology, brought to you by Tempest Restoration. This software produces a computer-generated walkthrough of a loss site, enabling insurers, adjusters and stakeholders to view the scene of an incident right from their desk. Our software helps insurers understand the extent of the loss, compile more thorough and accurate reserves on major losses, whilst speeding up the entire claims handling process. Firstly, let's look at the model of the loss site. As you can see, it allows us to meticulously document the existing condition of the building, recording an inventory of contents and damage being claimed, in turn reducing potential fraud. There are so many benefits to utilising the 3D technology that can save you time and money, such as virtually walking through the loss site in 4K resolution, reducing on-site inspections and re-inspections, improving collaboration between distant teams by enabling stakeholders to share links that focus on specific viewpoints, enabling a fast, effective and transparent dispute resolution, and providing the ability to order quick floor plans. Whilst the technology can vastly improve efficiency and speed, it also has features that ensure accuracy in loss, damage and repair valuations. We can use the software to zoom in on specific areas of interest at a high resolution, or use the virtual tape measure to estimate measurements for improved logistical planning and more accurate repair valuations. Our technology also enables you to maintain a comprehensive archive of the loss site for years to come, meaning you can request photos of content or damage from any angle and never be without the photo you need. Matterport's 3D technology helps insurers to thoroughly understand the extent of the loss, compile more thorough and accurate reserves on major losses, all whilst speeding up the entire claims handling process. Brought to you by Tempest Restoration.